Hello class 4th students, this is your SST book and we will discuss question answers. Today first you will write today's date, which is 9. You will write 9/05/2020. I hope you have done your work in SST notebook. I have given you exercise. Fill in the blanks and choose the correct answer. Now we will do question answers. You will write heading like this: answer the following questions. Then first question: list the Indian states located along the coast of the Arabian Sea. So you have to make list of the Indian states which are located near where Arabian Sea. So they are answer Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala are the Indian states located along the coast of the Arabian Sea. Now second question, list the union territories of India and their capital. So how many union territories are there? There are 7 union territories and we have to write these 7 territories and their states in this answer, which are the following are the union territories of India and their capital cities. First you will write union territories, then capital. First is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Its capital is Port Blair. Now second is Union Territories. First is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Its capital is Port Blair. Second, Chandigarh. Its capital is Chandigarh. Third, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Its capital is Silvassa. Fourth, Daman and Diu, Daman. Lakshadweep, its capital is Kavaratti. Sixth, NCT of Delhi, its capital is Delhi. Then last is Pondicherry and Pondicherry. Now third question, name the 6 major physical divisions of India. Name the physical division in which your state lies. So you have to write 6 physical divisions of India. Name the physical division in which your state lies. Our country is divided into 6 physical divisions on the basis of these features. There are features in which our country is divided into 6 physical divisions, and they are: first, the northern mountains; second, the northern plains; third, the great Indian desert; fourth, the peninsular plateau; fifth, the coastal plains; sixth, the islands. Now question number 4, name the countries that share their borders with India. So you have to write all the countries name which share their borders with our country, and they are answer India shares its borders with Pakistan and Afghanistan to the northeast, China, Nepal and Bhutan to the northeast, Pakistan and Afghanistan to the northwest, and China, Nepal and Bhutan to the northeast, and Myanmar and Bangladesh to the east. Sri Lanka and Maldives lie to the south of the country and are India's neighbors. These are the countries which are India's neighbor and they share borders with our country. Fifth question, Name the water bodies that surround peninsular India. So you have to write water bodies which surround the peninsula India. Answer: Indian peninsula is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and Indian Ocean in the south. So there are 3 countries which is surrounded by peninsular India. So you have to write these in your notebooks, and you can take help of your detailed planner which is on your IDs. So complete it in your notebook, and we will start your next chapter in your next video. Thank you.